वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल जनरल नॉलेज अड्डा। इस चैनल में ज्वाइन करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और रोज नया वीडियो के लिए नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कर लेना। Today's topic is Council of Ministers, Central Government of our country India. The head of the Council of Ministers is our Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister is Sri Narendra Modi. He kept some departments in his hands: Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister. Next, Sri Rajnath Singh, Ministry of Defence. Sri Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs, that means Home Minister of our country. Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Sri D. V. Sadananda Gowda, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, that means Chemical and Fertilizer Minister. Srimati Nirmala Sitaraman, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Sri Ramvilas Paswan, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Ministry of Law and Justice, Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Srimati Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Sri Thawar Chand Gehlot, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Ministry of External Affairs. Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Ministry of HRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Sri Arjun Munda, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Textiles. Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Art Sciences. Sri Prakash Javadekar, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Sri Piyush Goyal, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Steel. Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Sri Prahalad Joshi, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Mines. Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Sri Giriraj Singh, Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Ministry of Jal Shakti. These are the cabinet ministers of our country. Now, ministers of state. Minister of state, two types. These minister of state, they are independent charges. They have no cabinet minister. Sri Santosh Kumar Gangar, Ministry of Labor and Employment. Ministers of State Independent Charge. Another one is Sri Rao Inderjit Singh, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Planning. Sri Sripad Yesu Naik, Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, Ayush. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. Sri Kiren Rijiju, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Sri Prahalad Singh Patel, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism. Sri Raj Kumar Singh, Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Civil Aviation. Sri Mansukh L. Mandavia, Ministry of Shipping. Now, Ministers of State. These Minister of States had cabinet ministers also. Sri Sripad Yesu Naik, Ministry of Defense. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space. Sri Kiren Rijiju, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Sri Raj Kumar Singh, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Sri Mansukh L. Mandavia, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Sri Phaggan Singh Kulaste, Ministry of Steel. Sri Ashwini Kumar Choube, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. General Retired V.K. Singh, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Sri Krishan Pal, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Danve Rao Saheb Dadarao, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Ministers of State, another one, Sri G. Kishan Reddy, Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Purushottam Rupala, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Sri Ramdas Athawale, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Ministry of Rural Development. Sri Babul Supriya, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Sri Sanjeev Kumar Balian, Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Sri Dhotre Sanjay Samrao, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministry of Communications, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Sri Anurag Singh Thakur, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Sri Angadi Suresh Chanbasappa, Ministry of Railways. Sri Nityananda Rai, Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Ratan Lal Kataria, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri V. Muralidharan, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Srimati Renuka Singh Charuta, Ministry of Affairs. Sri Som Prakash, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Sri Rameshwar Teli, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Sri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Sri Kailash Chaudhary, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Sushri Devasri Chaudhary, Ministry of Women and Child Development. These are Ministers of State. These three types of ministers are in our country: Cabinet Ministers, Ministers of State independent church and ministers of state.